Good morning dear students. Now in this video I will discuss about the steps involved in the extraction of metal from the ore. There are several steps involved in the extraction of pure metal from its ore. So first of all, the first step is that enrichment of ore. Enrichment क्या है? The removal of unwanted material that is called gangue from the ore is called enrichment or concentration of ore. The undesirable impurities like sand, soil, etc. found in the ore are called gangue or matrix. So the first step is that we have to be remove these undesirable impurities from the ore. ठीक है, this is called enrichment or concentration of ore. The process used for the removal of gangue from an ore are based upon the difference between the physical and the chemical properties of the gangue and the ore. It means gangue and ores की फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ में जो डिफरेंस होता है उसी पे बेस्ड हम जो है रिमूवल प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो हैं या प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ गैंग फ्रॉम दी ओर हम उसी का यूज करते हैं. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ इम्प्योरिटीज़ द एनरिचमेंट ऑफ ओर कैन बी डन इन मैनी वेज. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मेटल विच आर प्लेस्ड at the bottom of the reactivity series, or you can say the metal of low reactivity. The metal which are placed at the bottom of the activity series, they are very less reactive and can be obtained by reducing their oxides to metals by heating alone. For an example, cinnabar HGS is an ore of mercury, and when it is heated it first changes into its oxide and then into mercury metal. कैसे? That is HGS when heated in the presence of oxygen. ठीक है, जब हम इसे हीट करेंगे in the presence of oxygen it will convert into oxide, that is mercuric oxide, and the sulfur dioxide gas will be removed. ठीक है. सो दिस ऑक्साइड बैलेंस कर लीजिए. दिस ऑक्साइड कैन बी रिड्यूस ओनली ऑन हीटिंग. सो जब हम इस ऑक्साइड को हीट करेंगे तो इट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. ये सॉलिड है, दिस इज सॉलिड, गैस, सॉलिड एंड गैस. दिस सॉलिड मर्क्यूरिक ऑक्साइड इज गेट रिड्यूस ऑन हीटिंग एंड कन्वर्ट इनटू लिक्विड mercury, and the oxygen will be removed from the oxide. So in this way the mercury in the form of liquid can be obtained from mercuric sulfide, that is called cinnabar. Similarly, copper glance Cu2s is a ore of copper. When heated in the air, partially oxidized, and the oxidized product react with the remaining copper glance to give copper metal. कैसे? Cu2s when heated in the presence of oxygen, first it will convert into oxide, but partially ये convert होगा oxide में, and the sulfur dioxide in the form of gas will be removed from the ore. बैलेंस कर लीजिए. put 2 here, 2 here, sulfur will be 2, 2 here, 4 and 2 6, put 3 here. This copper oxide will remain further with the remaining copper sulfide Cu2O plus Cu2S. ठीक है, and convert into copper, and the remaining sulfur in the form of sulfur dioxide gas will be removed from the ore. clear? बैलेंस कर लीजिए. put 2 here, now it get balance. So in this way the copper can be extracted from the copper glance. So these metals are placed in the bottom of the reactivity series. They are low reactive metals and they can be easily obtained from their sulfide ore only on heating. Clear? Okay, after that we will discuss about the extraction of metal of medium reactivity, yeah, you can say the metal which are placed in the middle of the activity series. So the metal which are placed in the middle of the activity series such as iron, zinc, lead and copper also. Copper can be placed in the bottom of the reactivity series or in the middle of the reactivity series. They are moderately reactive metals. ठीक है, मीडियम रिएक्टिविटी इनकी होती है. These metals are usually present in the form of sulfides or carbonates. ठीक है. In the nature, these sulfide और carbonate are first converted into oxide. सल्फाइड को हम जो है रोस्टिंग करेंगे, ठीक है, एंड कार्बोनेट्स का कैल्शिनेशन किया जाएगा. ऑन बोथ द प्रोसेसेस द सल्फाइड ओर एंड द कार्बोनेट ओर बोथ विल कन्वर्ट इनटू ऑक्साइड ओर ऑफ द मेटल्स. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज़ ईजियर टू ऑब्टेन अ मेटल फ्रॉम इट्स ऑक्साइड. ठीक है, सल्फाइड और कार्बोनेट्स ओर को ऑक्साइड में इसलिए कन्वर्ट किया जाता है बिकॉज इट इज़ ईजियर टू ऑब्टेन अ मेटल फ्रॉम इट्स ऑक्साइड. ठीक है, तो द सल्फाइड आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऑक्साइड बाय रोस्टिंग एंड द कार्बोनेट्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऑक्साइड बाय कैल्शिनेशन. द मेटल ऑक्साइड दस ऑब्टेन आर देन रिड्यूस टू द करस्पॉन्डिंग मेटल. देन इसका हम रिडक्शन करेंगे and on reduction the oxide will be converted into the metal. We can obtain the metal from the oxide of the metal. ठीक है, so for reduction we will use carbon here. ठीक है, so there are many chemical reaction involved in the extraction of zinc. अगर for an example हम zinc लेते हैं तो how can we obtain zinc from its sulfide or carbonate ore, because zinc found in both the carbonate and oxide sulfide ore in the nature. So the first step, that is called roasting. It is a process in which sulfide ore is heated below its melting point in the presence of air to convert it into metal oxide. For an example, zinc sulfide ZnS on heating with in the presence of oxygen. ठीक है, इसे हम कहेंगे रोस्टिंग. So on roasting, the zinc sulfide will be converted into zinc oxide and the sulfur will be removed in the form of sulfur dioxide as a gas. Balance कर लीजिए, put 2 here, 3 here, 2 here and 2 here. Now it get balance. This is zinc oxide. ठीक है, but if the ore is in the form of carbonate, then we will use calcination. ठीक है, अगर सल्फाइड ओर है तो रोस्टिंग होगा और अगर कार्बोनेट ओर है तो कैल्शिनेशन किया जाएगा. एंड कैल्शिनेशन इज द प्रोसेस इन विच द कार्बोनेट ओर इज हीटेड बिलो इट्स मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मेटल ऑक्साइड. कैसे? फॉर एन एग्जांपल ZnCO3 जिंक कार्बोनेट, कार्बोनेट और ऑफ जिंक, तो इसका कैल्शिनेशन किया जाएगा. ऑन कैल्शिनेशन in the absence of oxygen calcination होगा, it will convert into zinc oxide and the carbon dioxide in the form of gas will be removed. So in both the processes, in roasting and in calcination, the zinc sulfide and zinc carbonate is converted into zinc oxide. So further, this zinc oxide can be reduced easily with the help of carbon. So the third step is that the reduction of oxide ore. It is a process of conversion of metal oxide ore into metal. So for that we will use carbon. ठीक है, so carbon is a very good reducing substance. So zinc oxide on heating with carbon, it will get reduced and the zinc metal will be obtained and the carbon monoxide in the form of gas will be removed. ठीक है, so in this process, in this way the zinc will be obtained from its sulfide or from its carbonate ore. Clear? But sometime the displacement reaction displacement reaction can also be used to reduce metal oxide. ठीक है, कभी कभी हम क्या करते हैं, मेटल ऑक्साइड को रिड्यूस करने के लिए डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस का भी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड फॉर दैट द हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स सच एज सोडियम, कैल्शियम, एल्यूमिनियम एक्सेट्रा, these highly reactive metals are used as a reducing agent in place of carbon because they can displace the metal of lower reactivity from their compound. For an example, the reaction of manganese oxide MnO2, ठीक है, with aluminium powder. अगर हम इसे एल्यूमिनियम से रिएक्ट कराएं, we know that the aluminum is more reactive than manganese. This is manganese oxide. So the aluminum can easily displace manganese from manganese oxide, and in this process the manganese will be obtained and the aluminum oxide Al2O3 will be formed in the solid form. But one more thing, such type of reaction, balance कर लीजिए पहले से, 3 put 4 here and 3 here and 2 here, ठीक है. But such type of reaction are highly exothermic, so large amount of heat will also be produced in such type of reaction, and the metal which is obtained in this reaction, it is obtained in the liquid or molten state, not in the solid state, because such type of reaction are highly exothermic reactions. ठीक है. So the molten state में आपको metal obtain होगा. In this reaction the manganese will obtain in the molten state or in the liquid state. Clear? The reaction of iron third oxide that is Fe2O3 with aluminum, ठीक है, to produce iron. इसमें क्या हो गया, we know that the aluminum is more reactive than iron, so the aluminum can easily displace iron from iron third oxide. So again in this reaction the iron will be obtained in the molten state and Al2O3 aluminum oxide will be obtained. ठीक है, put 2 here and 2 here. Now it get balance. Again a large amount of heat will also be generated in this process. ठीक है. So this reaction of iron third oxide with aluminum can be used to join railway tracks, or cracked machine parts. ठीक है, because the molten iron can be easily filled the gap between the railway tracks or the cracked machine part, and on cooling it will become solid, and in this way we can join the railway tracks or the cracked machine part. So this reaction of metal oxide, this reaction of metal oxide to form metal by using aluminum powder as a reducing agent is known as thermite reaction. ठीक है. So such type of reaction जिसमें हम मेटल ऑक्साइड को रिड्यूस करने के लिए किसी हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स का यूज़ करते हैं सच एज एल्यूमिनियम, और जो मोल्टन मेटल आपको ऑब्टेन होता है, दीज मोल्टन मेटल्स कैन बी यूज इन मैनी वेज. सो सच टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इन विच द मेटल ऑक्साइड टू फॉर्म मेटल बाय यूजिंग एल्यूमिनियम पाउडर एज ए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट इज नोन एज थर्माइट रिएक्शन. क्लियर है? सच टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन आर कॉल्ड थर्माइट reaction, and these are very highly exothermic reaction. Clear? So this is very important. This reaction is very important. This reaction, both the iron oxide and the aluminum powder की reaction बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Thermite reaction also. Clear? So that's all for today. In the next video I will discuss about the extraction of metal of the high reactivity. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.